Hello, my people. Happy Sunday. Good afternoon. Actually, it's been quite a little while I've done my last video. Actually, I just I got discouraged along the line, and far from that, if you guys remember the last video I did when I was trying to lament on the mistake I made, that was this particular trade I took. I told you guys that this is a take profit, the first take profit actually. That I always says that we cannot close a trade until it breaks this first take profit. Then when we break the first take profit, we don't take our profit on the first one. We wait for the second take profit. But situation whereby we got a reversal, like an opposite entry, we are free to close the first trade. Understand? So which is exactly what happened here. He broke the first take profit, and it went down here and gave us a reversal entry here at this point. But I don't even know what really happened to me that day, and I choose not to take profit. I choose to just I was thinking that this trade is not gonna hold, and lo and behold, this trade who held, and I missed this one, and the first one I took ended up closing as a loss. So in other words, I would have taken this one and this one also, which are two wins, but I end up losing in both direction. After then, I took the next trade, which was this one also, and this next trade, the first take profit is here. Here becomes the first take profit. Then after this first take profit, now if we get a reversal, we take. If we didn't get a reversal, then we hold on till whenever we break the next high, which is somewhere around here, and that is our official take profit. Now, but what happened? This trade never got to even the first take profit. It just went up here and it reversed. It cleared us. We lost the trade. So after then, actually, the whole thing got me pissed off, and I chose to stop creating videos. Just want to clear my head and know what's up. But the good news is that we actually took when he cleared us, he gave us another entry, which was the one we took, and this was which was this trade. As you guys can see, this trade is actually currently around that 1:7 risk to reward right now. Or even it's around that 1:7 there, but one is to 8. On my profile, which way I took this one, I did my profile account here. Currently on the this trade is currently on the this trade is currently on this trade is currently on 600. This is the profit here. This is the trade here. As you can see, this is currently on 600 and 81 the last profit. And I took this trade right from here. This is where I took this trade from, where I was on this drawdown, which is at minus 400 because this is a 20k account, and this is a second. This is 20k account, and I was at minus 400, and I took it from minus 400. Now currently at plus 300. This is it here. I'm currently at plus 300. Yeah, currently at plus 300. So currently on $700 profit minus 200 and plus 300. And this is currently my second phase of my account. Understand? As you can see, this is just a phase two. And that's why I'm showing you minus account growth is minus 2% because it was minus 2% before I took this trade. This trade has actually kept me as plus 1 and something percent. I think 1.5 there about or 2% there about now. So this is on this particular Profem account. Okay. Then on our because we also have two accounts. We have Profem which we trade. Use Profem, try to trade Profem because that's where you get the main money that we expect to use and become somebody in life. And Profem gives you ability to scale up easily. Can actually go easily with Profem. Then I have my personal account, which I fund. I have a small account. I call it my feeding account. This is where I make the money I use for my daily upkeeping, feeding, anything I want to do, like data, upkeep, everything. What I just funded in that account is just $200. And currently on that particular account, we are currently on $100 profit. Because I funded $200 and I risk 5% of the account per trade, which is $10. I know lose very small. But knowing what you're doing, at least 1:10 of that $10 $100 per trade. So it's something tangible. So that's pretty, something tangible. So currently on that trade we risk $13. Yeah, plus the spread and everything and commission makes it $13. And we are currently on plus $100. So which is under $300 account size right now. So we also hope that this trade close successfully because as it stands now, this is our take profit. Our take profit is somewhere up here, and our take profit is up here, which is at this point, and that is let's go at 77,000. Understand? But the rule says that this is the first take profit. So if this trade clears this take profit first one and give me a reversal, I'm free to close this first one and take the second one. Then there's also another thing I'm looking at here. If you really study market structure, like you really know how to analyze market structure, you look at this and that. I don't know. I'm looking at it right now. Bitcoin is seems like the bull run is over and it's about to face a downward trend. Now, this is a break, a change of structure here, and we have a break, but we don't have this retest. This retest was not really clear enough. So I'm looking at something like this to happen on Bitcoin. So yeah, something like this to happen on Bitcoin for it to retrace from all the way from here to this point before it start going down. Understand? So, but what I'm gonna do right now is I cannot hold a profile account to get to $92, 92K. Man, it's consider the fact of the rules of my profile, drawdown limits and everything. I cannot do it. So I'm going to have that freedom to be able to trade what I want to trade. So I'll definitely be closing my profile account once it gets to my take profit. I just close it obviously. At the take profit point, I should have passed the account obviously. So what I'm gonna do is that on my personal account, which is the one I told you guys, and that is my HFM account. Understand? On my HFM account, which is my personal account, I for them $100. Obviously, I'm gonna close because it's just two 0.02 lot. So I just close 0.1, then let the remaining 0.01 run. I will let the trade run, and I will expect it to get to this point. And obviously, if this trade gets to this point, that particular trade might be giving me up to 1,000. Technically, I might give me up to 1,000 more than that safe. So I also because why I'm gonna hold that one because of that one. There's not like drawdown limit all those things. So just let the trade ride. It's my money, so just let it ride. So that's just it, man. So and one more thing I wanted to tell you guys, I'm gonna be creating a Telegram channel. I don't even know how to put the link, but I'll be creating a Telegram channel, and I'll also be I'll add the link on my bio Telegram channel. I also create my WhatsApp group. This group is not. I'm not teaching anybody. I'm not asking anybody. I'm not hosting any class rather. So I'm not asking anybody to be one for class. I'm just create this group so that I can be posting my trade. Understand? So those that really want to trade with me in real life can actually keep up with their day to day um um day to day activities. Actually. So and secondly, I will start going live on TikTok now. Just once I have time, I'll just come live, show you guys the trade I am, what I'm looking at now. I'll start going live on TikTok. So maybe it will be able to help also to be able to keep some people in real time, like so that those that really want to trade me, so that they can be able to meet up. So that's just it, guys. I wish you guys happy Sunday, and I wish you guys the best. Thank you.